Yo, what up, YouTube? Just on my way to Vortex Hobbies. Gonna go see if they got some Axial crawlers in stock. Been watching Axial videos all day. We're gonna go see what they got. Maybe pick something up. You guys, you don't know how long I've been waiting to open this sucker up. I've been waiting until I had some time to film this video. Finally got some time. We're gonna open up this Axial SCX10 that I picked up from Vortex Hobbies. Yeah, I would have recorded when I was there, but it was crazy. I got there right at close. Yeah, anyway, Axial SCX10.3 Base Camp. Comes with a Spectrum radio, Spectrum ESC, Spectrum 3-channel receiver, dynamite motor, Spectrum servo. Comes with all the goodies here. Let's dig into it. That thing is sick. Alright, so this is what comes in the package. We've got the manual, pretty cool. Got some batteries, T-handle. Looks like some shock pistons in there. Got the truck, and then got the receiver or the transmitter over there, but we're not going to use it. Check it out, check it out. Those are some pretty sweet electronics. We're going to go ahead and swap them out with some Hobbywing ones. I'll probably end up selling these on eBay. Get some money back out of it, you know. Yeah, here we go. Let's get these wheels together. I'm going to set the truck aside here and we'll assemble some wheels. Alright, I'm going to show you how to put these wheels together real quick. Should be pretty easy. Got all of our bolts here. Got a, what is this? I don't know, a 1.5 mil maybe, or a 1. The appropriate Allen size here. Got our bolts and the bead lock, the actual real bead lock for these bead lock wheels. This is always real. Alright, sweet. Okay, sweet. Alright, sweet. This is what you do. You open up your wheels, your tires, I mean. I like dots out. Dots out. Alright, got your tires, got your wheel, got your centerpiece. I like to sneak this piece in first. Okay, fight that sucker in there. Get it sitting in between the foam. You want the rubber on the inside. See, there's a little shoulder where that sits. So you get the rubber in there on both sides. And then you take your wheel. We're gonna do dots out, so I'm putting the face of the wheel on the side where I want out. So if these were like white walls or something, alright, you got it in there. Flip it over. Then I like to line up the bolts on, or the holes on here. Push these in. So I did do these front ones already, and these have the brass inside of them. And these were a lot easier to put together than these with the plastic insert in the middle. Okay, got another wheel done. Get into the electronics on this. Looks like I need to cut that, and then I need to rip this off. It's just stuck on there. Take that motor out so I can swap out these two. And then I need to bind my transmitter to my ESC, and I'm going to use the DX5 Pro because my DX5 Rugged is bound to my other crawler, and I want to be able to let my wife or a friend borrow one if needs be. Alright, so we'll go ahead and pull that off. Come right off of there. Just come off of there. Go ahead and save that. Just kind of keeps them out of the way a little better. Keeps them a little more snugger. Alright, and black goes out on the servo. Ground is always on the outside. Okay, sweet. It's gonna be perfect. Now I just need to swap out this motor. Gotta figure out how it comes off of here. Got it. There we are, right down inside there. I don't know if you can see that in there. Boom. Alright, I got both motor bolts out. Got that motor taken out. Now we just need to install the new motor. And alright, so we got the 540 motor. Oh, that thing is sweet. Boom. It's already got the banana plugs on there. That thing is sweet looking. We have this motor, the 1080 or the ESC. We have this ESC. Oh, sweet. I was hoping that it had the XT60s on there already. Or what are these? Yeah, XT60. Sweet. That is a beautiful ESC. Look at that thing. Okay, sweet. Does not take up much room at all. Looks like it's gonna go right there in the same. Alright, you guys. We got her done. She is completed. This is the final product. It's got Vanquish wheels, got the wheels bolted up, got the motor and ESC put on. Got my new battery in there. Got it all bound to my DX5 Pro. And we got the drag brake set up. Everything's dialed in. I went to the hobby shop and they helped me out. Let's go for a crawl. Good. This is Bash and Thrash. His RC. Ben's RC. It's the same one. It's set up basically the same. He's got the GPM rates in the front though.
So Bash.
Nice.
that's what happens. I look at it through the camera, so it's really hard.
Oh, we're digging.
Nice.
Did you go last time? Did you go up there?
No, I've never been able to. This rock you can. Maybe.
Can you go up this one before?
Yeah. Oh, maybe right here. Your tires are better than mine, I think.
I think so.
I don't know. Maybe. I even have brass, more brass, and it's still not. Maybe the Prolines are the way.
Did what's his name tell you?
True.
In its element. There we go. Oh. And if you go slow, you just slide?
Yeah.
Dang.
So that means they are better, huh?
A little bit, I guess.
Here, do it again.
Maybe I got lucky.
It went right up last time. Ah. Dude, your tires are...
You know what I think it is?
Yeah.
I think these my tires do a little bit better because the lugs.
I even have more weight, so yeah.
Yeah, but the lugs are stickier when there's snow.
Oh.
So I bet those, if it was dry, those would probably perform a little better.
Yeah,
That's what. No, it's not a hand of God; it's the foot of God. Oh, come on, buddy! Oh, come on, buddy!
That's crazy.
There she goes. Oh no! Oh my gosh! No, no, no! You got this! You got this! Pull it off! Pull it off! Pull it off! Come on, buddy! It's going. It's so close. It just needs a little nudge.
I hate these tires.
Dude, now he's gonna go buy the Prolines. Oh, that's pretty sick. I need some lights. Look at all this terrain.
Well, they make a little kit. You can just slap them in the bumper.
Oh, there we go. Maybe I'll just do that.
So I have front facing. These are not real rock lights, they're just funny.
Ooh.
Yes? It's me.
Oh, Daddy. You're gonna be famous on YouTube now. Oh no.
Oh, nice.
Do a wheelie.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh no! That's the checkpoint.
Yay.
Nice. Dude, it looks so sick. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Like a boss.
Nice. Oh, this ground's soft.
Yeah. It's like bouncy.
Do you have weights in the rear?
No, just in the front. Do you have weights in the rear?
Yeah.
You do?
Yep. All 4. I did it just up front at first.
He just wants to flip. How come I can't get past that? I think maybe I'm going.
You did it the first time.
I know.
Yay.
I went all the way up.
You can checkpoint or you can try again.
I know it's right. I know how to do this.
Yep.
Guarding the slides? That's it. Don't give up.
King of the mountain.